Okie dokie. So we got pretty much all the bolts off, and we took out this front one, the big one that was here. As you can see, it's pretty loose. It's just this top one here holding it on. There. So this bottom two are holding it. So then we'll have that plate off, and we can access the bell housing bolts a lot more. And we've got the jacks out on both sides. Now we're just gonna hammer these pins out, which is actually fastened in there by a cotter pin, which we've already removed them. There they are. And so yeah, we got the transmission jack securely underneath there. It's just a little bit on the oil pan, but it's mostly on that front piece there. And yeah, so things basically blocked up nice and solid, and it's able to roll forward in the front. So yep, once we get that pulled apart, I will take another video.